California until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 11:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tulare, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tulare, Lindsay, Farmersville, and Exeter. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.